regard to the lady correspondent of the news channel, it is very unfortunate. We condemn this incident and we demand that action should be taken against the people who do this kind of a thing. They must be arrested and they must be punished.
Incident happened somewhere around 3:15. The complaint was lodged, but it took almost 2 hours to lodge a complaint in police station. Why is it so? When the commissioner is saying
it's matter of inquiry, they should inquire the matter. If anybody purposely delayed the complaint, then he should also be punished.
So second question, why all the Shiv Sena leaders, the top leaders, are leaving Shiv Sena and coming to your party?
After Balasaheb Thackeray, the Shiv Sainik feel that their party is becoming weakened day by day. The leadership in the Shiv Sena is not capable. They don't kind of have faith on the leadership as well as in party. That's why they are leaving the party and joining NCP. They think the nearest, most comfortable party where they can feel comfort is the NCP, and they are joining.
Do you think that they have lost confidence in Uddhav Thackeray after Balasaheb Thackeray's death?
Naturally, the worker as well as the people of Maharashtra doesn't have faith in the Shiv Sena. They think they cannot fight for the people, they cannot give justice to the people as well as their worker, as well as their leader. That's why they are leaving the party.
Even BJP, we saw in past 2 weeks that they were in touch with MNS and they were trying to rope in MNS.
BJP know that the Shiv Sena becoming weakened day by day. That's why they had made a tactful alliance with Navnirman Sena. Openly they doesn't show because it affect the voter in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. That's why there is a tactful alliance between the MNS and Bharatiya Janata Party. The main reason the leadership of Shiv Sena is very weak, and day by day party is becoming weakened. That's why BJP as well as every party, they are taking distance from the Shiv Sena.
In near future, is there any other big leader you were trying
to? Many of the Shiv Sena stalwart are in touch with our leaders. In future, many of the people are joining the NCP, which will announce who they are and when they are going to join.
Do you think that it will make a big impact in the coming elections?
See, this time a different situation is here in the Maharashtra. In 1998, Pawar Sahib was a leader. Despite the Shiv Sena, BJP was in the government. He made a tactful alliance with some of the regional parties, and the result was 38 out of 48. Same situation arise in the state, and we think it will be a better result than 2009, and it will be somewhere 38 out of 48.
Your Minister, Mr. Gavit, is also on the verge of leaving the party and sacrificing his ministerial post for his daughter.
There is a fight between two Gavit. The member, 7-time member of parliament, the union minister Gavit, having some kind of a personal rivalry in the district of Nandurbar. Last time also the thing was very unfortunate. The brother of our Gavit has contested from the Samajwadi Party. This time this kind of a tactful things they are going to do. But we warn them, this kind of action cannot be tolerated by the party. If you want to do this kind of activities, you have to leave the party. Otherwise, party will take the action against you. But since it is not anything happen, no announcement has been done, we are waiting. We think he will take his own decision, and he is not going to create any uncomfortable situation for him also as well as party also.
Thank you, sir.